Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, December the 16th, 2025. KSE-100 is holding near all-time highs and above all important moving averages. But price structure and indicators show momentum has paused rather than accelerated. Let's take a closer look. So a very interesting day at the KSE-100, a big gap up at the open which was not sustained and quickly faded, resulting in a 294.05 point loss for the day. Price structure still above all important moving averages, which are in themselves nicely aligned in a bullish stack. So the greater uptrend still in place. This is concerning though. Volume was above average, leaning towards distribution or at least heavy supply absorption at the high levels. RSI is also telling a story, 68.03, firmly bullish territory, but flattening, signaling momentum remains positive, yet is no longer accelerating. MACD tells something of the same, decisively positive, but a modestly shrinking histogram, consistent with slowing upside momentum. ADX now above the trend threshold, indicating a broader uptrend is still established, even as price churns near resistance. So, all in all, our verdict for the day would be that the index is still in an uptrend, no doubt, but the tape is now clearly churning under 172,000 with rising volume, fading momentum. Bulls now need a decisive close above 172K to reset upside pressure. Failing that, higher probability path is consolidation or a pullback towards 170,000 and the 10-day EMA, which is at 168,776. Stay tuned.